In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix sound not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, start by checking your volume settings. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and make sure the volume slider is turned off. Increase the volume and check if the sound is working properly. If it still does not work, the next step is to check your Bluetooth connections. See if any Bluetooth devices are connected, and if they are, disconnect them because your iPhone might be sending audio to another device instead of the speaker. If the issue continues, check for software update in your device. Go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, head back, click on the option Transfer Reset iPhone, click on Reset all settings and complete the process. After the reset, test your speaker again. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, first restart your device. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Hold and press the power button until Apple logo appears. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If none of these solutions work, the issue might be hardware related. In that case, it's best to visit an authorized Apple store or service center for proper inspection and repair. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.